blue for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Josh and Dave channel. It's been some time since we've done a cigar or a whiskey review, and I'm really excited. I just got my hand on the Tatuaje Little Hassells. This is a 4x38 little power bomb of a cigar that just came out, extremely rare and hard to come by. So I want to take you out back, I want to light up this stick, and we'll do a quick cigar review. If you're new to our channel, we do food reviews, we do home cooking, some healthy, some not so healthy. We do vlogs, cigars, all kinds of stuff based around food and just having a good time. So if you like this video and want to check out others, we got plenty more videos. We would love for you to subscribe and leave us a comment. Come out back with me and let's light this up. All right, guys, so we're out in the backyard. Let me just try and give you a quick little, let's see if the camera will pick it up. I did a little V cut on it. You can see that it's wrapped on the front. Real oily wrapper. Not too many veins, and like I said earlier, just a little power bomb. I was lucky enough to only get 2 of these. One to smoke and try out and do a review on, and one to keep for later. So this cigar is a Connecticut broadleaf wrapper. It has the Nicaraguan tobacco for the binder and the filler, and really, really hard to get. This is a 4x38, so it's basically a half a Lancero. Okay, so these cigars come in packs of 10, and they come in actually in a foil pack. So let me show you guys what some pictures that I snapped of the foil pack. What makes these sticks really rare and really cool is that these tin packs, these foil packs, there are only 1,250 of them made in the entire world. So as you can imagine, that's a very, very limited supply of these.
What a wonderful world.
So right off the front end, obviously this cigar is made by My Father Cigars, a Maduro wrapper. It came out and it said that it was a medium. I'm gonna call it more medium to full body. I'm picking up right in the beginning, I'm picking up a lot of chocolate, leather, a little bit of cream. Really, really fantastic little, powerful little smoke. Come on back when we're halfway through and we'll keep going. All right, so we're about halfway through. The ash already fell off. I was trying to hold it on for you guys. And again, I'm no cigar expert. Cigars, whiskey, home cooking, food, all that stuff. That's just a hobby for me, something that I like to do as an off-duty activity. If you do want to find a real good Instagram account, I got to give a shout out to my buddy, @CigarBossman. @CigarBossman on Instagram. If you guys are interested in cigars, that's a great page on Instagram to follow. So give him a follow. So far, I have rave reviews. Really, really powerful little bomb. My goodness, just a really, really good quality smoke. A ton of smoke, a ton of flavor. Again, not a lot of spice. It's more of just a thick, good full body. Great for winter time, great for some whiskey, maybe a hot toddy, something like that. A good strong cup of coffee, a little Americano. This is what I'm thinking of pairing. You know, this is just really, really nice. All right, I'm gonna finish it up and we'll do the final review at the end. Come on back. If you guys enjoy cigars as a hobby like I do, or you've been in the cigar game for any number of months now, you know that My Father Cigars always makes a fantastic product. And with this, they outdid themselves. The blend is fantastic. It really, if you want a bold little power bomb of a shorty little cigar, really, really recommend it. I paid $6 a cigar, like I said earlier in the video. Extremely rare, extremely hard to get your hands on. So, yeah, I tip my hat to you, My Father Cigars and Tatuaje, because great job. As always, we appreciate you guys watching our videos. Leave a comment down below if you guys have tried this cigar or what other kind of cigars I should try and review. Again, totally just a hobby for us, well, mostly for me, and it's fun, and so we love hearing from you guys. I'll put up 2 video recommendations on the screen right now so that you can snoop around on our channel and check it out. We'd love to hear from you. Anyways, take care and thank you for watching.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.